Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Some people who waited until today to vote either needed an umbrella, raincoat, or maybe they just got wet and said, I don't care, I'm going to wait in this line.
I think a lot of us got wet today. Yeah, absolutely. No surprise that we've been talking about the shower activity that's been on and off, and today it was going to be a little bit more on than off, and that's been the case. And also, of course, with the wind gusts, that hasn't helped out. But things, we're in a bit of a lull right now. There may be some redevelopment offshore and some showers begin to push in towards the coast here over the next couple of hours here. Next Weather Rain Tracker depicting that, but slowing things down a little bit, so this may not now reach us until we get until after 8 o'clock. Polls close at 7, so wet, commute back to home if you're going to be out and about. Windy with occasional showers. We still have a next alert. This is because of Rafael, the tropical storm that's almost a hurricane, not coming here directly, but it will have impacts with those rain bands that are going to come in. They're going to contain some very strong winds and the potential even for some flooding there, with rain ending early on Thursday, then just diminishing to showers and still some breezy conditions. So here's the setup there between the high to the north and Rafael to the south. We are sandwiched in, so that's why we've had so much wind today, not related to the wind field from Rafael. I'll show you that in a second. You can see how small it is. But there is the improvement on the Thursday, and then for Friday and Saturday pick of the weekend. This is the issue now. Sunday, we have a disturbance that's going to be coming in with some rainfall. So I'm thinking, not going to be a great day. In fact, I may have to raise rain chances even a little bit more than what I have. As far as Next Weather Rain Tracker for tomorrow, we're going to continue to see, winds 25, 30 miles an hour, but the bands from Rafael really won't enter the picture until nighttime and then heading into Thursday. You see some of them coming in, and those could contain some very strong winds there for the Florida Keys, where we're expecting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, less so for Broward and into Miami-Dade. The reason for the rain on Sunday is something that hasn't developed yet and may never develop, but it is a tropical wave, and it does have a 30% chance of developing, and it is coming right at us here. So that is going to make a mess of Sunday. I think the rainfall is going to be certainly there regardless of development. There you see, as we track it on Next Weather Tropics Tracker, it doesn't look like much, and I don't think it will be, but it will be enough to give us that rainfall on a Sunday. So back to Rafael. The wind speeds right now 70 miles an hour, but the wind field, it's not a huge storm, only extends out 115 miles an hour. Those are tropical storm force winds, so you have to be really close to the system, as Cuba will be, to get the main impacts here. And of course, they're going to get a landfall from what will be a hurricane. But there's the closest pass to Key West. So wind gusts, but not a direct strike for us here as the system continues to 90 miles an hour and then weakening with some very strong winds that are going to either dissipate it or it'll arrive just as some rain across the northern Gulf Coast. Good news for our friends up there. So next alert again for tomorrow. That's for the wind, the rain improving on this Thursday, and then heading into the weekend, a split setup. Saturday looks dry. Only slight chance of a shower, and then that rain comes in with that wave on Sunday.